Hey there, what's up guys? Today we have another unboxing and initial impression of the Angry Phoenix AIM-54 missile by Sabre models. If you are keen or avid of missiles, you will know that AIM-54 Phoenix is from it is used by the F-14 Tomcat by Grumman. So today it is oddly weird that we are going to unbox Sabre models which are primarily made if I can see it, they made like wagons, platform wagons, flatbeds for trains to pick up tracks and also to pick up tanks. So oddly enough, the second go of a type of kit is not like aeroplanes or whatever. They go for the route of this egg type or tune type of kit, which is like normally done by Mang or Hasegawa with their egg planes and tune tank kits. So if you are, I'll say, an advent of like tune kits, this probably will catch your eye. So as you can see here, really enough, it says quickly assemble without cutting. I don't know what's that about. Okay, so let's take a round of the box. Oh yeah, the model kit number is CT001. So I don't know, they'll be making more of these tune kits, I guess. Okay, right, so you can see side of the box, Angry Phoenix. Oh yeah, I got this for like around $15 US dollars at my local hobby shop. As you can see here, this is like the 3D rendered of the kit itself, which is oddly looks super detailed when I saw it. So here around the box, okay, same thing. Alright, here it is. It's a relatively simple kit because the instructions are already on the back side of the box itself. So it's like two halves of a sandwich for the missile itself. It's then you're gonna put the fins and the tooth, and oh yeah, this is like the eyebrow is separated. So, and also, you can put the bolts and nuts, I guess, and also like the pin collars, spike collars, and you like remove drill a hole. Okay, let's not yabbering about. So when I first look at this kit, I didn't know anything about it. It was like, oh cool, that looks like oddly weird. So it's like, you know me, I like resin figures that look so different from others. So here in the box we got like stand, so you can stand the kit up to make it stand up, I guess. So it's like a simple stand or like a base. So we have two of that. Let's put that aside, and then an instruction for the stand itself. Quite nice. Alright, so here in the box, so you have two kits. So I don't know if you want to make two different variants, you can make off. So here we have like, it comes with in a plastic box here separately to each other. So if it's like those Kitty Hawks resin figures that comes with in the box. So here it comes with like water slide decals, so which is quite nice. So I don't want those damn stickers. So because it's weirdly enough, it says you don't need cutting. So normally those snap fit kits you need to apply stickers, but today we have decals on this kit. So water slides, which is made by Sabre model themselves. It looks pretty thin, which is quite nice. I think it's not that thick. And the wording is, I don't know about the missile, the real missile itself, but it looks pretty good. The stencils. Okay. Now move on to the kit itself. Sorry, I have to move my freaking light. Alright, okay. Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, here. So we have here the layouts. So you have the fins, the panels, I guess. and the tooth. Oops. So the tooth, quite nice, sharp, I guess. And the front teeth is in different, so you can paint it separately, I guess. And yep, this is, I think, the brow, so you can paint the eye. And let's see this. This is the rivet that the instructions were told to cut and then put on it. And this is like the collar for, it's like the angry phoenix. It's like bulldog. So it's relatively weird looking, and it's definitely different. So it's like, to each its own. I think it's quite cool to have it on your display base, when display, let's say, cabinet or table. So once you finish it, okay, what I'm trying to do is like sandwiching the two parts together. So my initial impressions is like, it's a quite fit. It's like there's not relatively a large gaps on it, so not much of a putty that you have to do. So I think it's quite good. As you can see, the details are damn sharp. Even the bolts, nuts and bolts, I don't know if you can see or not, it's like here, it's like quite detailed for a tune kit. It's relatively looks like a Mang tune kit. It's really sharp. So I think my gripe about this kit is this whole seam line, oddly enough, from the back down to the front and whole side of the kit. So I don't know, I know it's like quite complicated and will be expensive for them to separately mold one piece together. It's like Bandai stuff when they mold the piece of the head differently so it can fit together. So this is relatively, it's like 15 bucks, so of course it is inexpensive and expensive. So the details are quite nice. The eyes are like quite sharp, and the mouth is not bad at all. And then the collar horns are quite sharp, so there's nothing inside here. So you can, I think you can drill somewhere here to make it stand up like this, which is quite nice and relatively good looking. You should like this on your desk, so people will ask what is that. So yep, if like you're an advanced F-14 model maker, and then it's like, you know, that is like an AIM-54 missile, I recommend you pick this up. It's like a pet project. It's like, normally when you do heavy stuff like military kits, car kits, even aircraft, tanks, or you pour your heart to weather like 3 steps, 4 steps of weathering, chipping and everything, and then you just like freaking tired of it. So this is like, literally, it's a fun kit to have, paint. And also I think you can experiment with it, like different types of shading, I guess. So it's a relatively fun kit that you should not, I say, taken too serious about this. This is a fun tune kit. So normally I can, if I can see here, this is like, okay, I don't know if this gonna picks up on the TV or not. Okay, this is like the kit itself, painted. Sorry, okay. So it will look quite nice. So that's it. Alright guys, thank you very much for viewing my unboxing and initial impression of the Angry Phoenix AIM-54 missile by Sabre Models, and I'll see you next time. Bye, take care guys.